Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a modded version of the game Drive Zone Online for iOS and Android. So let me just show you guys how to get it. So when we open it up, you guys will see, open the wrong app there, but when we open it up, you guys are going to see how rich I am. So as you can see, in the mod menu, I'm not that rich, right? But in the modded game, we can enable unlimited coins and points, right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's enable unlimited coins and unlimited points, and let's see if it goes up. So currently is no change, but maybe it will happen. So let's see what we get, and we don't get upset. So nothing happening, guys, but I'm feeling happy, so it might happen. Yo, look at that! So I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version of Drive Zone Online for iOS and Android. So let's get into the guide, show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the browser, and we're just going to go to this site, tweakmod.com, and this got tons of modded apps, bro. So type Drive Zone Online, and as you can see, there it is. Press install, and now we just got to download it. So there is going to be a verification, which is very easy. You just got to download 2 apps, complete instructions, 100% free from official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this mod to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's really cool because a lot of people are like, oh, there's no way to get Drive Zone Online mod, because they don't know about it, guys. They don't know about the mod. The secret 2025 release, by the way. So let's just give it a second here for this to load, and then you guys are going to see the magic, bro. So as you can see, it's loading right now. And then we just got to download the 2 apps and follow instructions. So basically, you can see the videos. So just do 2 of these apps. So like Travel Time says reach level 9, same with Merge Garden. So just press on it, brings you to the store, you do 2, you're done. So that's how I get it for your device. Unlimited money, guys, in Drive Zone. So this works on iOS and Android, guys. Super cool. I'll see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself if you're broke. This is where I come in. I can show you the modded version, guys. Simply do the verification and you're done.